In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a credit note to a bill in Xero full guide, 5 minutes. A credit note is a supplier issued adjustment that reduces what you owe, often for returns, price corrections, or overcharges. Applying it directly to the related bill keeps your payables accurate and your audit trail clean. Let's walk through the process from sign in to approval. First, head to the Xero login page and sign into your account. Click login, enter your email and password, and complete any security prompts if they appear. After logging in, you'll land on the dashboard. From the dashboard, open the business menu and choose Bills to Pay. This takes you to the list of supplier bills. Find the bill that needs the credit. Click the bill to open its details so you're working in the right place, and the credit will be tied to this bill. Inside the bill, look for the Bill Options menu and select Add Credit Note. Xero creates a draft credit note for the same supplier, which helps link everything together automatically. This draft can be adjusted before approval. Review and edit the credit note details as needed. Make sure the description clearly explains why the credit is being applied and that quantities and unit prices reflect the supplier's credit. Check the account codes and tax rates so they match the original charges you're reversing or adjusting. If you use tracking categories, apply the same ones used on the bill for accurate reporting. It's also a good idea to attach the supplier's credit document for backup and enter a helpful reference, such as the supplier's credit note number, so it's easy to identify later. When everything looks correct, click Approve. Approving posts the credit note and applies it to the bill you started from. You'll see a confirmation that the credit note is approved. Back on the bill, review the updated totals. The outstanding balance should now be reduced by the amount of the credit. If the credit equals the bill total, the bill will be fully cleared. If the credit is larger than the bill, the remaining amount becomes an available credit with that supplier for future bills. A couple of quick tips to wrap up. Make sure the credit date aligns with when the supplier issued it so your aged payables stay accurate. If you catch an error before it's reconciled, you can edit or void the credit note and reapprove. And always keep attachments and references consistent to make month-end reviews faster. That's it. Your credit note is applied, your bill is updated, and your records are tidy.